Several types of plasterboard, and use the wrong one in the wrong place is an expensive mistake. Here's what each one is for. A standard board, ivory facing, is for dry internal rooms, living rooms, bedrooms, hallways, no moisture, no fire requirements, no acoustic needs. Standard board is the right choice and the cheapest option. Green face boards are for bathrooms, kitchens and utility rooms. It handles humidity and steam far better than a standard board. Pink faced, type F, for garages that connect to the house around boilers and in stairwells. Building regulation require it in these locations. Now acoustic, denser and heavier than standard board. The extra mass is what reduces sound transmission. Use it where noise between rooms is a genuine problem. Now you can get aluminium foil bonded to the back, acts as a vapour barrier. It's used to dry lining external walls. The foil faces the wall and manages moisture from outside, not needed on internal partition walls. Standard for dry rooms, green for wet rooms, pink where regulation require it, acoustic where sound matters, fall back for external walls, match the board to the location. The price difference between types is small, the cost of getting it wrong isn't.